Nasa Parawagan na po kami. Napakadulas po, hindi kinakaya ng motor. Vera, hi! Dumulas na ho kami. Kasi dala namin yung motor kanina. Guys, we made it.
Siya naman yung ano dito. Yung nano niya ng graduation.
Medyo may na yung signal.
Karakter ko pa sa IG yun.
Sa-outline nun eh, sa pwede.
Ano umuulan, Shelby May?
Oo nga, ang init-init to.
Si pa. Hindi gumulong.
Sapatos check. 1, 2, 3. Saan hindi kita? 3. Bye! Yay! Look at the view! So init was our anniversary. Show the background. Thank you. Let's go. Hello. Beta to. Wow! Wow! Our way to Marikina Sports Center. And guess where we are? I don't know. We're still in San Mateo. Stuck in traffic. Do we see that traffic? Oh my god. We arrived at Marikina Sports Center. Pero, sobrang gabi na. Marikina Sports Center kami, there was an event na exclusive lang for participants ng fun run. And, pumunta na lang kami dun sa basketball area ng sports center. Nanood sila Leon, yung kapatid ko, tsaka si Daddy. And then, after that, we headed straight to Jollibee. para kumain. Nothing else happened after that. Kasi late na din. Traffic pa uwi. Like, for a reason that we don't know of, sobrang traffic. Like, parang papunta at pabalik. As in...
I'm making a video. I'm making a video. And Leah making a video. We like it. Oh.
We're going home.
Ay totoo po lahat at halos na isalaysay na po lahat ang ating kasama si Ama namin.
But napalagay yung freedom boat, yung ginawa natin. Okay, yun ang una namin dokumentaryo. Recently, we passed 2 laws, yung regulatory sea lanes and maritime zones, wherein they actually mapped out or they are in the process of already determining or putting terms para makasama yan sa NAMCREA map natin.
After gym, kakain.
Bakit?
Ganito pala sa Maynila. Mainit, mausok, madaming tao.
Maraming inaantok.
Vera! Yay! Kung si Kim Chiu ang sinasabi, dito na ako, Yupi! Ito, goodbye, UST. Goodbye. Goodbye. After a sleepover fit check. With my most questionable outfit. Jurella who? Sarap! Fit check. Kita. Sapatos. Ang shorts. Sabrina Carpenter. Ang damit. Victoria's Secret. Buong outfit. Ganun din sa akin.